Design of a spherical dome. So the question is, the spherical dome of a water tank has a span 6 meter, has a rise of 1.2 meter. It carries all inclusive distributed load of 6000 Newton per meter square and a lantern load of 8000 Newton at the ground. Design the dome. Use M20 and Fe415 steel. So this is the geometrical figure. So in that you can see that APB is the dome. If you continue that circle section, it will become a circular section. So AB is your span and PS is your rise. Then this is only the half portion of the spherical dome. That means OP represent the radius of the dome. That means OP and OA, OB, all these are the radius of the dome. So first we have to find out what is the radius of the dome. So for that we are writing OAS, the triangle OAS. In that AS, that is the half of the span 3 meter. Then OS is total OP is R, that R minus the rise 1.2. Then OS is R minus 1.2. So using Pythagoras theorem, we will get the R value as 4.35 meter. Then sin theta is 3 by 4.35 and similarly cos theta. So after that you calculate the load. Then in the load calculation, first you assume a 100 mm thickness for the dome. The distributed load and lantern load is given. So distributed load is given as small w and lantern load, the notation is capital W. Lantern load, it will be a concentrated load. The next step is calculation of stress, same as the conical dome. So first you calculate meridional thrust. The formula is WR by 1 plus cos theta plus W by 2 pi R sin square theta. The second term represents the meridional thrust due to lantern load and the first term is meridional thrust due to distributed load. If the lantern load is absent, then the second term will be 0. So after calculating meridional thrust, so you calculate meridional stress. Meridional stress is thrust or tension by area. So since it is a 100 mm thickness per meter, it is 100 into 1000. You will get the stress as 0.16 Newton per mm square. Next is Hope stress. Directly we are calculating Hope stress. So the formula is W by R WR by T cos theta minus 1 by 1 plus cos theta minus capital W by 2 pi R sin square theta. Similar, same as the previous case, second term represent the lantern load. If the lantern load is absent, the second term will be 0. Here also Hope stress is 0.315. These stresses are very low. Next you calculate steel reinforcement. Since the stresses, that is Hope stress and meridional thrust is very low, we are giving a minimum cross-sectional area, that is 0.12% of the cross-sectional area. So AST is 120 mm square. If you are using 8 mm diameter bars, the spacing will be 418. So we are having only the 300 mm spacing as per the code. So hence provide 8 mm diameter bars at 300 mm center to center along the meridian and the latitude. Next is design of ring beam. The above AST is discontinued near the apex. A wire mesh may be provided there to avoid the congestion of the steel in the apex portion. The fifth step is design of ring beams. So horizontal component of meridional thrust will cause an outward force on the support causing Hope tension. Hence a ring beam is necessary. So horizontal component or of meridional thrust is T cos theta. So calculate T is your tension. Next is Hope tension in the ring is P into T cos theta into R. That will be 34224 Newton. Area of steel is P by sigma ST. Sigma ST for Fe415 steel is 230. Use 8 mm diameter bars. So number of bars is 4 bars. So for ring beams, 4 bars of 8 mm diameter bars are provided. So AST for 8 mm diameter 4 bars is 201. So required is 148. So hence it is okay. Next is cross sectional area of ring beam. For cross sectional area, the tensile stress on the equivalent cross sectional area shall not exceed 1.2 Newton per mm square. Hope tension divided by AC, it is 1.2. The hoop tension, it is calculated at 34224 in the above step. So calculate, you will get AST is 26046.92. So provide a cross section of 200 by 150 mm. So if you you can take this cross section for square cross section, then you take the square root of the area. Here I am just providing rectangular cross section having width is 200, then divided by area, you will get the height as 150 mm. So this is the detailing. There is a small mistake in the ring beam. There is 4 bars of 8 mm diameters are provided in detail. In the second picture you can see that the ring beams are ASTs are provided in latitude and longitudinal direction, but it will be cut at the apex, and a wire mesh is provided in the apex portion. So the design of conical beam and design of circular section is almost same. Only the difference in the meridional thrust and the hoop stress formulas and the geometrical calculations. That's all. Thank you.